Finally, in the American Association, Canaries taking a 5-game win streak into the series opener with Milwaukee. Great crowd as they're kind of making a quiet playoff push. Brian Torres, though, keeping them quiet early on, delivering a sac fly in the second inning to give the Milkmen a 2-0 lead. However, in the bottom of the inning, the Bird Bats come alive. Harrisburg's Hunter Clannon kissed that one goodbye. A 2-run shot ties the game at 2. We would get an even bigger blow in the fourth from Augustan alum Jordan Barth. Do you think he knew he got it with the bases loaded? It's got to be a great feeling when you just admire it like that. A grand slam helps the Canaries win a slugfest, 12-11, their 6th straight win.